students, welcome to the class. Today we will learn poem named by I Love You Mommy. Watch the video carefully and sing with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Kids School. So let's start. I love you mommy. I love you mommy, my lovely mommy. I love you mommy, my lovely mommy. You make me glad when I am sad. I love you mommy, my lovely mommy. I like to tell you I really love you. I love you mommy, my lovely mommy. When you are with me, I play with glee. I play